Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video, you are going to learn how to change the settings for browser startup. So what is startup? When you open your browser and you can see this is a new tab which is starting along with your browser when you double click on the app. And if I want to change some settings here, to do that, we need to click here and click on settings. And your left here we have on a startup. As you can see, open the new tab page is selected. When you are going to double click on the app to open, and next we have continue where you left off. When you browse something in new tab and you're going to close your browser, so the best is that you can continue where you left off your browsing with this app. And next we have the open a specific page or set of pages. When you select this, so here I can add a new page. As you can see, the Chrome new tab is selected, and if I want to remove or edit, simple, I'm going to click here and I can edit or remove. To edit that, simple click on edit. So now as you can see, you can give it a new URL, or you can add a new page here. Maybe you want to open every time your own website, so then here you can add, or maybe you're going to add this www.google.com, and you can use current pages. If I just click, so as you can see, this is going to be selected. But if I select this one, use the current pages, so there is no current pages. I need to open some pages here, some new tabs, which I can use it for current pages. So simple, if you just click, it's going to select this open new tab page. So this is how we can change some settings. And if you like to change the settings for on a startup, then this is really simple and you can do that from here. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well, so you notify about our new uploads in our channel. So see you guys in the next video.